many of you are thinking, What are you talking about? Regular cars?" This week, the president just signed the Inflation Reduction Act into law, and there are benefits in that law for electric cars. And that is true. But as somebody who is thinking about an electric car myself, I was a little bit surprised that they were more limited than I thought they might be. So here are the rules. There is a $7,500 electric vehicle purchase tax credit, but it only applies if the price of the car that you buy, the price of a sedan is under $55,000, the price of an SUV or a truck is under $80,000, which means you got a lot of Teslas, a lot of Mercedes, maybe some Porsches that are not going to qualify. The typical Tesla Model 3, for example, it goes for $63,000. So it's not going to qualify, although the base model would. Price is also not the only factor. The final assembly of the car has to be done in North America, which disqualifies some Hyundais, some Kias, some Audis, and some Polestars. And buyers don't qualify if their household income is above $300,000 for a married couple or $150,000 for a single person, which is not to say that you shouldn't buy an electric car. My next car, Andy, is going to be an electric car. You just have to take all of these things into consideration.